Hey everyone, I am incredibly excited today to guide you through the most awaited feature of the RationalGO app builder. We are stepping into a completely new dimension of no code, full stack app building. I'm not just giving you a quick preview today, we're doing a complete step by step walkthrough. Let's dive straight into it without wasting any time. To get started with this new feature, just head over to rationalgo.ai. Right on the homepage, you'll see the all new app builder. Let's click on Dashboard to jump straight into your personal workspace. For this walkthrough, I'm going to build a proper professional landing page for a furniture business, and we aren't just building it, we're hosting it directly through RationalGO. I'll type in my prompt describing the requirements, and I've made sure to ask it to include high quality AI generated images all over the page. Let's hit enter and let RationalGO do its thing. Now, while RationalGO is cooking that up in the background, let me tell you about some of these crazy features. You aren't just limited to static web pages here. You can build fully functional, full stack web apps that connect seamlessly to external databases or external hosting services like Vercel. You can also commit your entire project directly to GitHub. RationalGO automatically handles the commits for you, so you never have to worry. If your project ever takes an unexpected turn, you can always jump right back to a previous save state. Total peace of mind. And look at that, RationalGO has already finished the job. Let's see the output. Wow, this looks absolutely incredible. The layout, the aesthetic, the AI images, it nailed it. Right now, it's running safely inside a sandbox environment, but we can take it live instantly. Let's try out the publish feature. I'll just click the publish button right here, and RationalGO starts the deployment process. And boom! Just like that, your site is officially live on RationalGO's own domain, ready to be shared with anyone. From here, you have endless customization options, the ability to push the clean code directly to your GitHub, and the freedom to scale into fully backend enabled web applications. The potential here is limitless. Go try it out for yourself at rationalgo.ai.